What to do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel and you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. What's the deal, man? We back. All my returning subscribers, I want to say appreciate you for tuning in to another video. All my new subscribers, welcome to the channel, man. This is Muscle Addiction, and we just try to find anything that has to do with going fast or repairing stuff, fixing stuff, things of that nature, man. So if you like that, try to tune in, man. Go ahead, hit that like and share button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. As y'all can see, we in a car, and then Paula just pulled up to the car. So I'm gonna see if I can open that gap up right here and get this door open. So let's get this mud open. Hope y'all doing good today too. Hopefully this battery's still good, ain't dead. Yeah, here's the car again, man. Here's the car. I ain't started it up in a few days, but like I said, here's a better view of the interior area. If I didn't show y'all whatnot, I don't even think it's got no owner's manual in here. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna replace this too. I'm gonna get the one that comes in the LTs and up. It's a different color. It's like kind of match close to this here in a way. It's a gloss color, but I'm gonna get this took out eventually, but that's to be later on and stuff. So yeah, I'll show y'all what we're gonna try to do to get this done. Other than that, I'm gonna see if I can get these hood hinges put on if possible. I think I'm gonna have troubles reaching in there, but excuse this mess back here. Right here, I'm gonna use this, see if this works. Okay, I got y'all set up. What's up, YouTube? Hope y'all doing good. Okay, it is. Got it open, y'all. We got it open. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. Let me show y'all what's up, what I'm looking at. It looks like there's a like a nice little crease in here. See if I can look inside of this door. See if I can see if this mug done moved. I think it just bent. I think the fender just bent. But y'all can see, zoom y'all in a little bit. It's a little crease right there. So I think it bent. But it's open now. All right, I'm working on this fender a little bit. This gap opened up a little bit. As y'all can see, it's still kind of tight, like right around here. Cause it's kind of bigger there. It's kind of bigger up here, but then it narrows down. So I need a little bit of more work. As y'all can see, it's still touching right here. So try to get up under here. Like this. All right, y'all, I want y'all to see this. If y'all can see how I'm doing this, y'all can see it's flexing. So I think it's definitely something to do with this fender. Kind of jacked up a little bit. I did get it opened up some. Push this in a little. I think I may have opened this up where it needs to be. My little tool and just took it. Oh, got it. We got it, y'all. We got it. It opens up now. That's better though. It's definitely better. Making progress. But don't look like this gap here, but definitely made progress. Pretty close though. Pretty close. So I don't know, that side may need to move too. But as of right now, we're looking good. So yeah, looking good right there, y'all. Got that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and maybe, cause I want to get these hood hinges took off, but I kind of think that I can do it without having to take this fender off. So I think I'm gonna try to attempt to do this now. So y'all stay tuned for sure. Y'all stay tuned. So I'll let y'all know what ended up happening. All right, YouTube, I'm back. Where I'm at right now and what I did, I really don't know what I was just doing right now. I was really just tinkering around with this headlight and seeing I still had like a lot of the broken pieces from everything. I tried to collect everything I needed just in case I needed part numbers and stuff like that. But I got this, this is the piece that broke off, and this is where the headlight is gonna sit. But I'm still a little off, which I think this bumper stuff kind of need to come up a little bit. Like the headlight will come back a little bit closer to it. So I think either this still gotta come out this way and kind of up a little bit, or this has got to go in. But I'm kind of thinking that this still got to come up and out this way, just kind of based off what I'm looking at. I might try to see, because I'm really in a bad spot right now, so I'm really have to move the car over that way some more. But I might be able to grab it down there, and then kind of, I'm gonna have to take the headlight out, but I'm probably grab right there where it's a little kinked up at. I see a little bend. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. I'm gonna put the hook right there and then try to pull out that way. I might have to pull over on my parking spot, but I think that might get me where I need to, stuff like that, because it look like it needs to come up. Is this, the headlight spot need to come up, or this need to come down? So I'm thinking this probably need to come up, so that way that lines up and everything right there. So that's where I'm at right there. So yeah, so I'm still gonna proceed with trying to get these bolts out of here and taking this hood latch off. Cause these hinges. As y'all see, the hood shifted over. That's where the paint, y'all can see where it shifted over right there. And I don't guess it's moved on that side, but it's definitely bent. I'm finna get this put on, these hinges. I'm working by myself, so hopefully I can replace this and support everything while I'm by myself. But if not, I'm gonna have to have some help. But so far, it seems like this is gonna be a dolo project. I don't really just have a lot of people available to help like that. You know what I'm saying? So, which I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping at all, because that helped me have a little bit more sense of accomplishment, But we're making progress, slow progress. Like I said, since we're waiting on a lot of stuff. I think my radiator and trans cooler came in today, but that's still gonna have to wait, because I gotta get everything lined up a little bit better to my liking before I want to do that. Because like I said, that's still not gonna be in, because after I get that, the coolant drain and the transmission fluid drain. Actually, I might not even drain the transmission fluid, but I know I'm gonna lose some whenever I go to do this. Yeah, hopefully I don't have no like broken radiator mounts and stuff, because it's a lot of stuff that's really like out of there. So as long as I can just get part numbers off everything, I'll be good. But I was watching a bunch of videos today on how to remove the trans cooler and stuff like that, so that way whenever I do get to it, it ain't gonna be nothing. But y'all finna get it right along with it. Like I said, I'm finna try to snatch these hinges off, and I'm gonna try to give y'all updates as I'm going. I don't have just a lot of space in my phone, so I'm not gonna give y'all no B-roll while I'm doing this. I mean, I may or may not, because I can always chop it down, but I'll let y'all know what's up. Hey, just chiming back in. I think I'm gonna reach my stopping point for the day. As y'all can see, it ain't cause, well, y'all can't see, but it ain't cause of the day, because of the daylight. But I feel it starting to rain. Y'all can see it's raindrops. So probably finna have to stop. I hate it. I really do. Mother Nature done rained on my party or whatever, but I did make some kind of progress today. I really think this fender might be salvageable. I really do. As flimsy as it is, I think I might be able to reuse it. Yeah, it's got, and I mean reusing it for temporarily till I do get another one, but it's not that cosmetically messed up to where, you know, it's gonna make a big impact on how I'm driving and stuff. This side is a little bit more messed up, which is crazy because this was the better side. This was the better side. So I got that side all straightened out a little bit. Got the door opening up. So I have to just rock with having these parts off right now. Just do it like that. So I got one bolt took out of the hinge right there, but like I say, I'm gonna end up having to do the same thing on the other side. Like I said, it is possible to take the hood hinges off with the fender on, but like I say, just for purposes of me lining up this hood, I think it might be pretty detrimental to get them lined back up where they are from the factory. Like I said, I don't want to run into no more problems with this fender and the gaps. Like I said, I got it better than what it was, pretty close back to how it should be from the factory. So like I say, y'all can see where there's a couple of spots right here where I was using the wrong tools. Like I say, I'm satisfied. I don't think it just messed up the door too much. Probably put a little touch of paint on it and get it right on. I say maybe when I cut back on the camera again next time, we'll have this fender off and be working on getting the hood hinge on this side and then get the fender snatched off that side so I can get that on. She's speeding that thing. Oh, now that I'm looking at this too, this is another reason why this headlight ain't sitting right. I'm looking at it. It's missing this. This other side is missing this whole tab right here. So that is actually one reason why it's not gonna sit right, because it's supposed to sit off in there. So definitely gonna need another headlight. I don't even see the part for this. I don't. Interesting. Okay, well, just found out something new. But yeah, I don't quit messing with this before I start throwing stuff out of alignment. See, God dang. Yeah, it's time for me to stop. I'm gonna mess up bad. Look at that. Just took my gloves off for 2 seconds and grabbed something, and that's what happened. But we was gonna run out of space. But that's all I got for y'all today. Make sure y'all stay locked in. Probably not even gonna drop this, but I'll probably end up tapping in with y'all when I turn this back on. Some more damage right here I'm looking at, so this is gonna need addressing too. It's a little bit more reinforced on this side because it's a little bit stronger. But yeah, I can probably just pull that right up. But it's a problem area right there. Anyway, phone stopped on, so I done ran out of time. So yeah, I really didn't get that to move much. But yeah, I'm finna just stop it right here. I'll probably just go ahead and drop this video because this is pretty informative for people that want to learn how to open up a gap on the door. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all on the next one. Look at that. God dang. Everything falling out this car. But I'm gonna tap back in with y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse the channel. We're going up all 2023, man. Muscle Addiction signing out. Yes, sir.